Now let's see this one. This one is giving you everything that is required. It's a floating number, which means it has got decimal points. But still, you can remove them by using print method. So if you say print, it's a Python method, and you put all this here. Then you can go like that, and you get the clean. If you don't want more explanation about the data type, you can just use print and get clean information like that. The other thing is to get the index where this is this maximum fall at. So to get the index, let me start with this one, which is more. Let me just say to get the index, you call the IDX, and then you say that is stand for index method and max, just like that, and you can enter, and you see it is column number 8, but still you want to get this column, right? So if you don't want to get a lot of information, as I've told you, you can just Control C and you use print method. Just like that, put it there and shift enter. You get this the line 8. This is index 8 where this lies, but still, let's say you want to know exactly this. Let's see it next lesson.